What is up, ladies and gentlemen, and we are back here for another construction update for Universal Studios, and a lot has happened. It's been about a little over a month since the last time we were here to do this construction update, so let me just show you, like, we're starting here with what it's going to be the Secret Life of Pets construction, and already so much has happened.
A lot.
Like,
There's a lot.
Just take a look.
Yeah, so a lot more has been blocked off, but it could still be either a simulation or it could be actually a roller coaster.
The simulation, that's a huge...
Could be a big show house. That's why. Yeah. There we go.
Hey, Frank, let me see again. Are your bolts tight enough? All right, you're fine, you're fine. Didn't want your head falling off. That was certainly pretty hard.
Hey, Frankenstein monster, how you doing? Oh yeah. Oh. You like my facial hair? Oh, because you can't grow any? Is that? Oh, it's okay. You look better without it. Yeah.
How's life after Horror Nights?
Universal Monsters? Oh no. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah, you don't even need to bring it up. Yeah, why are you bringing it up?
Sorry.
Yeah, it's sad. Yeah, you just need those memories. It's like a little mirror. You want to see yourself? There you are. Yeah, that's you. That's you. Okay, I'll hide it. All right.
So after seeing the construction for Secret Life of Pets, now we're going down the escalators to see the construction for Jurassic World, which of course is opening in spring of this year. I saw online that there were some updates to the facade, and that even it's expanded in terms of what's now being hidden and what's being constructed.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. That's not Jurassic World over there.
No, what is it?
That's Nintendo Land, right?
Yes, it is.
Now, by looking at it right now, it's looking a bit small, but
I think they're only supposed to have like 2 rides.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, 2 rides.
I mean, still to fit 2 rides, there's not much space. I don't know. We'll see how it is.
But it's definitely very different from when Josue and I were here last month, where it was just dirt. Now they actually have some scaffolding up.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Some
They've actually blocked out the space.
You know, and I don't know. I think that's how far they're gonna go, but maybe they're gonna expand more to the left. I don't know.
So you can't really see it well, but this used to all be outlined in white. And then it was all outlined in brown, and now we see that.
That's not a T-Rex.
That's a T-Rex. That's the Jurassic.
Sure
that's Jurassic World. Yeah, Jurassic World still has. Look, you can see the arms right there.
Oh, I thought that was the new monster.
The Indominus Rex.
Indominus Rex. Look at
No, I'm pretty sure that's. I'm pretty sure that's the logo, and that's going to be T-Rex. So yeah, look at that. That is amazing.
And we also see, if you want to show straight ahead, more cranes.
There.
Right, down lower.
No, that's for Jurassic World.
Really?
That's for Jurassic World right there. So let's get it closer.
Blue down the middle now?
Now there's blue down the middle, and there's also this dark gray. This dark gray is new as well. When we see, yeah, it's all the way up there. You see the blue. When we came last, it was just the tip right there.
If they're planning on making these blue also.
Possibly.
Because look how the white is. There's a little bit of texture of blue inside of them right now.
Possibly.
I don't know, because
it might just also be like this dark gray as well. That's right here. But yeah, you can see up there, there's the Tyrannosaurus Rex mouth, the outline for the symbol of Jurassic Park. So, Mr. E, last time we saw the lettering come down.
Yeah.
Right there. And now this whole area is blocked off. Like, look at this.
Up there, we saw a little bit that they're doing groundwork too.
That's perfect. I don't know if you can see it very well with this camera, but there are lights going to be right there. There's a little opening. I don't know if that's for projections, or that could be the lights that are going to be down here coming from up there, or if it's from the inside. I'm assuming probably for the outside, but still, lights. Even the studio store that we went into last time is now completely blocked. You can enter it the other way. But we went through this entrance, and now this entrance is blocked off. So that's cool. Oh yeah. Probably this will be like an entrance, yeah. I think for right now, this is just for...
What does that mean for events like Horror Nights? Can they still use this soundstage?
Probably not this soundstage for this year, as they are a lot further along than they were last year. But this is cool. No, they are definitely digging in. That's cool. This is very, very cool. How exciting. There's so much construction going on here at Universal.
So I don't know if you can see, but the building itself is even getting a paint job. Now it's going to be a little more gray, almost to complement the gray of that building. So that's really, really cool. That essentially where the steps were for if you did JPQ for Halloween Horror Nights, which is Jurassic Park queue, and you walked up the steps, those steps are now going to be gray instead of the beigeish yellow that they have right now.
So, you can see the sign is still up. I don't know if that means they're keeping the sign and they're gonna just paint it blue and gray. We'll find out, but yeah.
Yeah, because it's still up there. Maybe it's actually after 23 years. Maybe it's just really hard to tear apart. But
Did they at least keep the Steven Spielberg?
I don't know. I can't. I don't see it. No, I don't see it there.
I thought that's what that stand thing is.
I mean, that's probably the stand, but I think they removed it so that way they can maintain it. Yeah.
And there you have it. That about does it for our trip here to Universal Studios to do a quick construction update. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button.
If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe.
That's right. We do construction updates like weekly now. So this was next month. We'll be here again to see how further along they are. And of course, I'm Thomas.
And I'm Mr. E.
And we will see you all in the next video.